What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Balloon Boy from Five Nights at Freddy's. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle. We want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to draw two smaller circles for the iris, but we're going to pull this towards the inside. Let's start on the left, go all the way around, come down and then in, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's draw two smaller circles in the center of each eye for the pupil. And we'll fill those circles in black. Now, in between the eyes, we're going to draw on the nose. Let's start with a point. Just going to angle the nose coming down and out towards the left and right side. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now, directly underneath the nose, we'll draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start underneath the left eye. We're going to bend this down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come down and then up. Let's add the top row of teeth. We're going to take the same curve, step down, and trace that across. And then along the bottom, let's draw a straight line. Let's separate the teeth, starting in the middle with one line. Then we'll add two lines on the left and two on the right. And separate the bottom row with two lines. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out, just curve the head, coming down. Just going to bend that in just underneath the mouth, go across, and then up. Let's continue this curve, going up and then in. Now I want to layer the hat on top of the head. So on the left side, let's step out, curve this across. I want to dip that down in the middle, round this out, go up and then out towards the right. Let's add the hair along the side, starting on the left, going out, down, and then in. Now we're going to draw the top of the hat, starting back on the left, go up, around at the top in the middle, go across, and then down on the right side. Now add some thick stripes across the top of the hat. Starting right in the middle, let's bend this out toward the left, and then down, aiming towards the eye. Go back up to the top, bend this out and down towards the right. Let's add one more curve, going out and then down. Let's add a small half circle along the top of the hat. Now we're going to draw two straight lines going up the middle. And then at the top, draw a small circle. Let's add two propellers on the side. Starting from the bottom of the circle on the left, we go out, round out the propeller, and then bend that back in. And we go in the opposite direction on the right side. Now we're going to go back and add in the cheeks. Let's start on the left side, bend this around, come down, and then up towards the outside. Let's do the same thing on the right, almost like drawing a half oval. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start on the left side. Let's draw a circle. I'm just going to tuck this up underneath the body, come all the way around towards the bottom, go across, and then back up and in. On the left side, let's add a seam. I'm going to go down and then bend that up. Let's add two buttons in the center. So add a circle on the top, leave a gap, and add one more. Let's add some stripes across the body. Leaving a gap in the center, start on the left, bend this around the button, and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's step out and do that again, going out and then down. Let's continue working our way down towards the bottom of the feet. Leaving a gap in the center, let's start all the way over on the left side. We draw a half circle, going down and then up underneath. Move over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's go to the inside, draw the leg coming in and then down towards the heels. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left, coming down and then bend that up. Let's go to the outside, draw the top of the foot. We're going to bend this up and then down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll just curl that up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go to the outside, bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. So we'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now let's go back up to the top and stretch the arms out towards the side. From the top of the body, we're going to step down, angle the arm, coming down and then out. Line this up on the right, coming down and out towards the elbow. And we'll angle this up and then out towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's draw a circle for the hand. We're going to go all the way around, come down, and then bend that back up towards the wrist. Now from the bottom of the hand, we're going to draw that same angled line, coming down and in, angle this up and in. Now let's connect the top of the elbow to the bottom of the curve, going around and then out. Let's go back up to the top, draw the sleeve, coming in and down. Let's add one stripe with a straight angled line going across the arm. Now on the left side, we're going to draw a small balloon. From the top of the hand, let's draw a straight line going up. Continue that line coming down underneath the hand. Now along the top, we're going to pull this in, go up, round out the balloon, come down, and then in towards that bottom point. Let's add some thickness to that stick along the outside, and we'll flatten off the bottom. Let's add a thick stripe across the balloon, starting from the top left, bend this in and then down, step down and draw that again. Now over on the right side, let's add that sign. Just up above the hand, draw a straight line going across, go up the side, and then we'll flatten off the top. Along the top of the hand, we're going to draw two straight lines coming down from the sign. Continue those two lines coming down along the bottom, and then we'll round out the bottom. Let's add the top of the stick above the sign. Now let's write balloons inside that sign. Starting from the left side, draw the uppercase, and then we'll just work our way across. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Balloon Boy from Five Nights at Freddy's. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.